the island, the jet, the names. Epstein owned a private island in the US, Virgin Islands. Locals called it the pedophile island. He flew guests there on a private Boeing 727 that became known as the Lolita Express. Sa flight logs nito, mga presidente, isang prinsipe, mga celebrities, at mga opisyal. Ang mga taong nagtatakda ng batas, ang mga taong nasa ibabaw ng batas. That mother who skipped lunch today, she pays her taxes, every single dollar, because that's what honest people do. That money funds governments that were in part represented by people on that flight log. Parang sa Pilipinas lang, ano? Among those named in the documents and flight records, former President Bill Clinton denied wrongdoing. Prince Andrew of the British royal family settled the civil case. Harvard law professor Alan Dershowitz denied wrongdoings. Various politicians, businessmen, and entertainers like Jay-Z, Jack of Titanic, Beyonce, and a lot more. Being on a flight log or named in documents is not automatic proof of criminal conduct, but it does demand investigation and transparency. If your name appeared in connection with a trafficking network, you would be arrested. You would lose your job. Your family would be shamed. Your life as you know it would end. Pero kung ikaw ay sikat, mayaman, at may connection, may press statement, may abogado, kalma lang ang lahat. Should wealth and status shield anyone from investigation? Yes or no? Comments below. Let's count the votes.